Today I make you my small home garden tour. This is black pepper. This is vegetable pumpkin. This plant is the betel nut. This is spinach, papaya. This all is sweet potato plants. Lemon. This is lemon. Again, this is pumpkin vegetable growing. All potatoes, sweet potatoes. All this. We are growing here brinjal too. We have vegetable brinjals. This is chili. All chilies. How in between like this, all potatoes. Again, this is papaya. We have in between flowers too, like this. Again, this is kind of spinach. How we plant new plant before 3 months. It's have wild. It's not wild berry. It's berries, kind of berries, ready to eat. Have small also here. This is kind of berries. We have here, this is turmeric leaves, and this is chilies. We have this red chilies. It's very healthy chilies. This is all turmeric new shoots. All this is turmeric. All again, this is like this, but I cannot cover all my garden. This is going to long video. This is arbi leaves. It's leaves also we can eat, make a sauce, chutneys. We can eat with the stems also. This is calling arbi leaves. This is medicinal. It's called tulsi plant. It's medicinal use. Again, this is like this. Here is papaya again growing. It is kind of ground vegetables growing. Again, all these. Here is again growing our brinjal. This is also medicinal plant. It is ajwain. This is ajwain. Very smelly. It will use for the cold and digestion. All this you can use. This again arbi leaves. Here is our pineapple growing. It is pineapple. We have a lot of pineapples. This is also kind of vegetables undergrowing under the stem. This is small, all vegetables growing. This is also growing under the stage. This is calling it I would call elephant food calling. Did you know? I don't know. This is moringa. It's moringa leaves. It's called moringa leaves. It's again pineapple. We are growing pineapple like this. Our plants. Again pineapple. Maybe it will ready in more 3 weeks. It's going little bit start to yellow now. Half yellow. We can remove that. Again, this is curry leaves. All these curry leaves, which small place also I didn't cover in this place. Video is going long, so I will stop here and I will continue my garden with the, if you like, I will continue next time. This is all plants is like this. This is banana leaves, banana. I have a lot of like this garden. I will cover it next. if you support, and if you like these plants, I will cover next time. Thank you.